It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Illuminati Gamer here, and welcome back to another video. And if you've seen my wonderful intro for this video, yep, it's so amazing. This is Plumber crack. Just check all the Cheetos. My goal is to earn enough money to get the donut in this video. The donut. I shall get the donuts. The donuts. All day. I think you need... Okay, let's check how much you need for the donut. I don't remember. I don't care about adverts. $9. Okay, I need 3 more. Not as hard as I thought it would be. This is Sparta. Yeah, now we just check all of them. Shh. Okay, shape checking. Checking everything. Checking everything up in there. Check it all. There's nothing really good about this game. I don't even know why I'm playing this. It's gonna be like a 4-minute video. I'll probably like double loop it with like another video. I will just get the donut. It's gonna be a very short video. And, well, I did not even get the point of this game. Okay, I think that's enough. I need $1. Give me $1. Give me a crack buck. A crack buck. I need $1. Give me $1. Give me $1. Okay, now I have $1, I'm pretty sure. Okay. 6, okay, we need 3 more. 3 more dollars. Yeah, like that's not hard to get at all. Surprisingly, getting money in this game is hard. The point of the game is throwing stuff into you guys' butt. But yet, somehow this game is hard. Sort of. Come on, just check out of it. Check it out, 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 check it out. Check it out. Get all up in that. Get all up in that, boy. Get all up in there. It's just perfect shot every time. Oh, racking in the money. Racking in the money. This is gonna be like a 3-minute video. This is so sad. It's gonna be my shortest video of all time, I think. Besides me showing you my bronze play button. Besides me showing my bronze play button off to you guys, this is gonna be my shortest video. My goal is only to get $9 bucks. Come on. And as you can obviously tell, the best recording studio of all time. I'm laying on a bed. Best recording studio ever. I got exactly another $1. Let's go to the shop and buy some donuts. I'm good. Dun dun donut. Guys, and now we'll just check like 20 donuts in this guy's butthole, and then we'll end this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, only 4. 5. 6, 7. No, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just do this. It was probably 20, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Totally the best video ever! Goodbye.